I'm here in Laguna Niguel talking with the people about smart homes. Today's question is from Steve. Why should I go all out with my backyard entertainment?
DIY, answering your custom smart home questions.
Why do landscapers never give me a straight answer? They're always beating around the bush.
Reason number 1.
Number 1 reason outdoor entertainment is important to me is it makes your house that much bigger. My very first house was 1,000 square feet. We didn't have much room to entertain. But the outside, we had a really cool deck, really neat lighting at night. We even had a shade that protected us from the elements. The TV and speakers were evenly placed to where it just sounded awesome. So if you have the right ambiance, you have the right sound and video, your outdoor space will be your new family room.
Reason number 2.
It's the wow factor. We just absolutely love it. We love when we can do professional speakers, TVs, lighting, even shading. So here's a good example. I had a customer spend $500,000 on a remodeled backyard. He thought he had it all. All he asked for was for the wow. The landscaper did a good job. He did the hardscape, he did the waterfalls, the fire pit, the barbecue. He had a lot going on. He didn't do any speakers, he didn't do a TV, and that's where they came short of the wow factor. So we were able to come in, design something very cool, and now he has it. It's probably one of the most exciting things he has is when he gets to go outside and watch the ball game, or the whole family gets to listen to music. It is definitely a wow factor backyard now.
Reason number 3.
It's control. Control the speakers, control the lighting. And it's important. You think you would upset the neighbors with too many speakers and too much entertainment, but you're wrong. With more speakers, you can have a lower volume and it points towards everybody inside the backyard. It's coming back to the house. It's not blaring your neighbors. So it's important to have it designed right.
The DI solution.
If you want a backyard system designed right with the wow factor, come to our store. You'll understand and see and hear everything you need for a great wow backyard.
Do you have a burning question for digital installers about custom smart homes? You can submit your question at digitalinstallers.com/questions. Every question will be answered by their staff, and some will even be made into a video. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to follow, subscribe, like, and share.